Hey everyone, I want to welcome you back to the channel once again. Today we've got an exciting topic for all of you content creators out there. We'll be discussing the latest strategies and tips on how to get monetized on YouTube in 2024. If you're ready to turn your passion into a source of income, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable content. Now let's get started. First step to monetization is meeting YouTube's eligibility criteria. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Make sure your content's going to be original, it follows the community guidelines, and is advertiser friendly. Keep an eye on your analytics to track your progress. Now, there is one other way to do it, that is also through YouTube Shorts. I believe you have to have 10 million views in just a 3-month time. So you're looking to make a lot of money with YouTube Shorts. Unfortunately, it's not going to make you rich, but it might draw people over to your actual channel so you actually can get more views and possibly more subscribers. Quality is key. Focus on creating engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Utilize high quality visuals, clear audio, and compelling storytelling. The more viewers enjoy the content, the more likely they're going to stick around and watch more, helping you reach that 4,000 watch hours milestone. I haven't reached it on my channel, but there was a lot of downtime. I did come really close. I ended up hitting the actual watch hours early on when I was doing all of my arcade and video game type content, but I didn't quite hit the subscriptions. Got a little frustrated, and life just kind of took hold, and I didn't make videos quite as often as I really should have been. So unfortunately, everything kind of trailed off for my channel, but I'm back. I've got better gear, including my camera, my microphone, and my Rodecaster Duo, to try to enhance how everything is going to look and perform for my channel. I feel like I'm in a better place now making these kind of videos. Consistency is crucial in the world of YouTube. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it. I'm still kind of working on that myself. Regular uploads will keep your audience engaged and attract new subscribers. Plus, it does signal the YouTube algorithm that you're a serious content creator and potentially boosts your visibility. Now, the more people are watching your videos, the more that YouTube algorithm is going to just kind of grab it, and it's off to the races. All you need is one good video to really get you really out there, but it's a matter of getting it in front of the right people, and that has to do with tags, your title. There's a lot of different things that you can actually be looking at that can determine whether somebody's going to watch your video or not. Now, before we go any farther with the video, I'm going to go ahead and interrupt the main content of the video, and we're going to take a look at YouTube Studio right now. This is under Earn, so this is showing you all the different stuff for monetization and some of the features that you have the ability to unlock. So as you can see, start your earning journey. Earn income by connecting with your fans and gain access to support forums and creator tools. So you got things you can unlock, such as memberships. Join other successful creators who earn monthly revenue with memberships. Your fans pay for special perks and you earn extra income. You have supers. Strengthen connections with your fans using supers, super chat, super stickers, super thanks. There's lots of stuff that's just super duper when it comes to this one. Shopping. Help your viewers discover products and shop while they watch your content. Now, what's cool about this particular one is if you actually have this unlocked, when you're watching a video, it'll come up in the little left-hand corner of the actual video for like t-shirts or mugs or things like that that you may be looking to sell to your actual viewers. Eligibility, 500 and 3 video uploads. So you're looking at these and one of the following. So 3,000 public watch hours or 3 million YouTube Shorts views. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to get the shorts unless you're a beautiful person Not gonna lie, I'm not a beautiful person. At least not in many people's eyes. I'm a nerd. I mean, it is what it is. Once you actually hit that threshold, you can hit applied now. You start going down, continue to grow for future milestones, unlock even more ways to earn, including the option to show ads on videos. Now, this is what everybody is really looking for right here. So, as you can see, you need 1,000 subscribers right there. That is like the main thing that you have to have, at least. And then the other ones you have to hit within a certain time period. As you see, 4,000 hours within 365 days, or 10 million views for shorts in the last 90 days. That's a much more difficult threshold to hit. So unless you're like Mr. Beast or people that are plugging out videos and videos and videos, you got people who are putting out 1 and 2 videos every 1 or 2 or 3 days. It's kind of crazy, but those people are more your professional YouTubers, as well as people who have dedicated everything that they are to YouTube. Like maybe they've lost their job or they've quit their job and they're looking to do this full time. So hopefully this kind of gives you a little extra insight on the things that you're really looking at when it comes to being a YouTuber, as well as what your goals are going to be. So now that I've interrupted you long enough, back to the actual main content of the video. Build a community around your channel. Collaborate with other creators if possible in your niche to cross-promote and tap into each other's audiences. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and engage with your viewers on social media. A strong community not only enhances your content, but it also increases your chances of meeting the eligibility criteria. So if you have other people that you are talking with that are actually into the same stuff that you are, it really doesn't hurt to reach out to them and try to actually collaborate in terms of talking to them in an interview type setting, or have the two of you getting in front of the camera together, or recommending each other's content. You know, if you can actually get in with somebody who doesn't mind helping specific content creators, it can really help you go a long ways. Now, there are a lot of big ones out there, you know, like Think Media. It's going to be a lot harder for you to maybe collaborate with some company like that, or any of the other people that are actually out there making it big, doing things like YouTube education such as this. So make sure you pick and choose who it is that you want to collaborate with, because you might have specific views and outlooks on certain things where the person you might be looking to collaborate with may not be exactly the same. And it could be more damaging than it can actually be helpful, more than anything else. Explore different types of content to cater to a broader audience. This could include tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or even live streams. I haven't quite gotten to the live streams yet because I'm not super happy with my internet. Diversifying your content not only keeps your channel fresh, but also attracts viewers with various interests, contributing to your watch hours. Your video's thumbnail and title are the first things that the viewers are going to see, whether it's going to be on a short or just a regular long form video such as this one. You want to make them eye-catching and compelling. A great thumbnail can significantly improve your click-through rate, while an intriguing title can entice viewers to click and watch. Remember, the first impression matters. We've been hearing that for years, especially when it comes to getting a job. You know, you only have one chance to make a first impression, and you want to make the best impression possible. So make sure that you are doing your due diligence on trying to make a decent thumbnail. There's lots of different programs that are free out there that you can utilize, such as Adobe Express, such as Canva. Those are just a couple that I'm going to name off the top of my head that we're going to go a little more in detail on another video. Maybe not today in terms of this. So optimize your videos for search engines. So SEO optimization is something you definitely want to look at. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and your tags. This helps YouTube understand the content of your video and recommends it to users interested in similar topics. SEO is a powerful tool or increasing visibility. So do you want to put a tag on there that has 50 people looking for that content, or do you want to put a tag on there that, you know, you have 500,000 people looking for that content, or 50 million people looking for that content? Content really changes from day to day on what people are really looking for. So it could have to do with politics. It could have to do with video games, you know, E3, arcade machines, Republicans, Democrats, whatever you want to really look at. If you do a little bit of due diligence in terms of looking up specific keywords, then you might be able to actually get your videos out there in front of other people sooner rather than later. Now, there are a lot of YouTubers that will tell you tags don't matter. Tags do matter. You know, it's a matter of really what has worked for people in the past. I would say find some good tags and still put them out there, because you want to take advantage of every little option that you have to get your videos in front of specific people. Take advantage of the YouTube's features like end screens, cards, playlists, and definitely encourage your viewers to watch more of your content by linking to the other videos and playlists. The longer viewers stay on your channel, the closer you get to the 4,000 hours of watch time goal. That's really what a lot of YouTubers are wanting. They want to hit that magic number of 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, because that means that they might actually be closer to making some actual money. Now, I've watched a lot of videos of people that have hit that 4,000 hours and that 1,000 subscribers, and they post a video after a couple months saying like, hey, this is my first paycheck, and find out it was only like, you know, $100, or they didn't even make enough to actually get their first paycheck or their first check from YouTube, which you have to hit $100 just for them to even send you a check so that you can deposit. If you hit like $95, they're not going to send you anything. Now, that will roll over into the next month, from what I understand. So you have a better chance of getting a little bit bigger check in the next month. But content is definitely going to be key when it comes to this, though. So if you use your your end screens, your cards, your playlists, you're basically directing people to other parts of your channel so they can see other videos that you've posted, which may also interest them. While waiting to meet the eligibility criteria, explore alternative monetization options. Consider affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and set up a Patreon account. These avenues can provide additional income streams while you work towards YouTube's monetization threshold. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you look at all the links down in the description that I've put down there, that has to do with equipment that I've got that I'm actually sharing with you guys. I need to kind of maybe shorten it a little bit so that I don't have quite so much, because as you can see, I've got like probably 40 different links in there. Unfortunately, I have to change them occasionally because I'm really not making any sales or people aren't clicking on them. I mean, it's something that you really make more money on when either you're growing bigger or when you have, you know, thousands and thousands of people who are looking at your content and they may actually like what they see. So they may want to click those links and buy that. Now, what happens when you're when you actually are doing affiliate marketing like that, when somebody clicks your link and they buy something, you get a very small fraction of the cost of that particular item. It could be anything from 10 cents up to $100. It really depends on what the actual item is and what they're really giving you the option to make off of that particular item. They don't really necessarily say, but hey, every little bit helps. There you have it. Our guide to getting monetized on YouTube in 2024. Remember, it's going to be a journey that requires dedication, creativity, and patience. Keep on creating, engaging with your audience, and refining your content. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.